Are you struggling with a headache? You're not alone. Millions of people deal with it every single day. But here's the good news. There are simple things you can do at home to feel better. In this video, I'll share with you 5 practical and very useful tips to manage headaches naturally at home. Let's take a closer look. Headaches are one of the most common health problems worldwide. They can be triggered by stress, lack of sleep, dehydration, eye strain, or even certain foods. While most headaches are not dangerous, they can affect your quality of life and productivity. That's why it's important to know how to handle them with safe and effective strategies at home. Tip 1. Stay hydrated. One of the most common causes of headaches is dehydration. When your body doesn't have enough fluids, it can affect blood flow to the brain and trigger pain. The solution is simple. Drink enough water throughout the day. Aim for at least 6 to 8 glasses, and remember that coffee, alcohol, and sugary drinks can make dehydration worse. Keeping a water bottle with you is an easy way to stay hydrated. Tip 2. Use a cold or warm compress. A cold compress on the forehead or back of the neck can reduce inflammation and numb pain, which is especially useful for migraines. On the other hand, a warm compress or heating pad works well for tension headaches, since it relaxes tight muscles around your head and neck. Try both methods to see which one brings you the most relief. Tip 3. Take screen breaks and fix your posture. Eye strain and poor posture are major headache triggers. Spending hours in front of a computer or phone without breaks can cause tension in your eyes, neck, and shoulders. To avoid this, follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds. Also, sit with your back straight, shoulders relaxed, and your screen at eye level. These small adjustments can prevent a lot of unnecessary headaches. Tip 4. Practice relaxation techniques. Stress is a leading cause of headaches, especially tension headaches. Relaxation techniques can help reduce stress and improve blood flow. Try deep breathing exercises. Inhale slowly through your nose, hold for a few seconds, and exhale gently through your mouth. Stretching, yoga, or meditation can also release tension from your muscles and calm your mind. Even just 5 to 10 minutes a day can make a difference. Tip 5. Rest in a quiet and dark room. When headaches are intense, especially migraines, resting in a calm environment can be very effective. Bright lights and loud sounds often make headaches worse. Find a quiet, dark space. Close your eyes and let your body relax. Sometimes a short nap is all it takes for your headache to improve. These 5 simple tips are practical tools you can use anytime you have a headache. Most headaches improve with these strategies, but if your headaches are frequent, severe, or unusual, make sure to consult a doctor. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health education.